How to refund avatar items on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll be demonstrating the steps to initiate a refund for avatar items on the Roblox platform. The process is designed to be efficient and straightforward, so it is important to carefully follow each step. To begin, access the official Roblox website using a web browser on either your computer or mobile device. Navigate to www.roblox.com/support or search for the Roblox contact information through Google. On the designated page, you will be required to provide your contact details, including your username, first name, and email address for the communication with customer support services. Additionally, you will need to specify the platform you use and select the appropriate category related to your issue, such as purchases made with Robux or Roblox payments. Choose the option for website items and provide a detailed description of the problem you're experiencing. Include information such as the item's name, its cost, and the reason for requesting a refund. By accurately providing all necessary information, you enable the support team to effectively assist you with the refund process. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in guiding you through the steps to refund an avatar item on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support.